In this video, we are going to talk about the top best rigid solar panels for permanent installation you can buy on Amazon. Links are in the description. Do check them out. So let's get started. 6. ECO-worthy 200 watts 12 volt / 24 volt solar panel kit with 30A PWM charge controller. Number 6 is the ECO-worthy 200 watts 12 volt / 24 volt solar panel kit. This kit is designed to provide a reliable off-grid power solution for RVs, campers, and other vehicles. The kit's key features include two 100W high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panels, an all-black aesthetic for a sleeker look, and a 30A PWM charge controller f1.0. In real-life scenarios, users report impressive performance, with some claiming the panel exceeds its rated power output under ideal conditions. The build quality is solid, featuring a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass, ensuring durability against the elements. 2. Its straightforward, pre-installed wiring with MC4 connectors makes it surprisingly easy to set up for a beginner-friendly plug-and-play experience. While the PWM charge controller is a functional choice for smaller systems, a competing product like the Renogy 200W starter kit often includes a more advanced MPPT, maximum power point tracking controller, which is up to 30% more efficient at converting power, especially in low light conditions 3.3. This difference in technology can be a significant factor in overall performance and value. Despite this, the ECO-worthy kit offers exceptional value for money, often priced more affordably than its competitors, making it an excellent entry-level option for those on a budget who want two panels. This product is ideal for individuals seeking a cost-effective, no-frills solar kit to power basic appliances and lights in their off-grid setup. 5. Renogy 200W ShadowFlux Anti-Shading N-Type Solar Panel 12V 200 watt solar panel, 25% high efficiency. Number 5 is the Renogy 200W ShadowFlux Anti-Shading Solar Panel. This is a high-performance solution for off-grid power, particularly excelling in challenging environments where shade is an issue, such as busy RV rooftops. Its primary purpose is to deliver consistent, high-efficiency power for applications like RVs, vans, and boats, even when partially obscured by other rooftop equipment. The unique ShadowFlux technology, which is the panel's standout feature, minimizes the power loss typically caused by shading by optimizing the power flow through the cells. This is a significant improvement over traditional solar panels, as it prevents a single shaded cell from crippling the output of the entire panel. In real-life scenarios, users report that the panel performs exceptionally well, often exceeding its rated wattage and maintaining impressive output even when partially covered. Build quality is excellent, featuring a durable aluminum alloy frame and an overall compact design that is both lighter and smaller than many competing 200W panels eat. Compared to a standard monocrystalline kit such as the ECO-worthy kit, the Renogy ShadowFlux panel commands a higher price, but its superior N-type cell technology and anti-shading performance justify the cost for users who frequently encounter partial shading. Which, the panel comes with a generous 25-year power warranty or WERCHTAY 200 watts solar panel kit, 12V/24V, 2 PCS 100W, monocrystalline 30A charge controller. Number 4 is the WERCHTAY 200 watt solar panel kit. This is a budget-friendly and user-friendly solution for off-grid power needs in applications like RVs, campers, and cabins. This kit's primary purpose is to deliver reliable power at a highly competitive price point, making solar energy accessible to a wider audience. A key feature of the kit is its use of high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, with some models boasting an impressive 25% conversion rate, and even utilizing half-cut cell technology, which is designed to improve performance by reducing power loss. The kit also includes a 30A PWM charge controller, which is a convenient feature for a beginner-friendly setup. 10. In real-life scenarios, users report a surprisingly strong performance, often receiving close to the rated wattage under good sunlight. The build quality is decent for the price, featuring an aluminum frame and tempered glass with an IP67 waterproof rating. Installation is straightforward with pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play accessories designed for easy setup. When compared to a brand like Renogy, WERCHTAY's main advantage is its aggressive pricing and inclusive kit components, 2 panels and a controller. While Renogy's ShadowFlux panels offer superior anti-shading technology, WERCHTAY provides a complete, functional 200W kit at a much lower initial cost, making it a compelling alternative for those on a tight budget who prioritize affordability and a ready-to-use system. 3. Renogy Solar Panel 100-watt 12-volt high-efficiency monocrystalline PV module power charger for RV marine rooftop farm battery on. Number 3 is the Renogy 100-watt 12-volt monocrystalline solar panel. This is a highly regarded and versatile product designed for a wide range of off-grid applications. Its purpose is to provide a reliable and efficient power source for RVs, marine setups, farms, and other remote locations. A key feature is its high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, which, coupled with bypass diodes, allow the panel to perform well even in partially shaded or low-light conditions. 13. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass, making it durable enough to withstand various weather conditions, including high winds and heavy snow loads. The panel is tested to withstand heavy loading and is highly resistant to salt spray corrosion. In real-life scenarios, users consistently report that the panel meets or exceeds its rated output and is capable of charging batteries quickly and consistently. Compared to more budget-oriented options like the WERCHTAY kit, the Renogy panel typically has a higher upfront cost for the panel alone, as it doesn't come in a complete kit. However, this is offset by its superior build quality, established brand reputation, and long-term performance and durability. This product provides excellent value for money for those who prioritize reliability and a proven track record. It is an ideal choice for both experienced solar users building out a custom system and beginners who want a dependable, high-quality panel that will last for years. 2. Callsun 400W solar panel, 4 PCs, 12V 100-watt solar panel. Overpower design, high-efficiency, monocrystalline PV modules. In our effort to provide more on. Number 2 is the Callsun 400W solar panel kit. This kit is designed as an affordable yet high-efficiency solution for off-grid power needs, with its 400W panels ideal for RV, marine, and other mobile applications. A unique design aspect is its overpower configuration, with each panel engineered to consistently produce its full 100W rated output under optimal conditions, providing reliable power that minimizes wattage drop-off. Callsun's panels are built with Grade A+ monocrystalline solar cells and a 10BB configuration, which not only boosts conversion efficiency up to 23%, but also enhances performance in challenging conditions like partial shading. The build quality is solid, featuring low iron tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame with an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring durability in various climates. In real-life scenarios, users report that the panels perform very well, and they appreciate the overall kit, which typically includes a charge controller and cables, simplifying installation. When compared to a premium brand like Renogy, Callsun offers a more cost-effective entry point. While Renogy's ShadowFlux panels may have a slight edge in shade tolerance, Callsun provides a higher wattage 400W kit for a competitive price, making it a better value for those on a tight budget who need a complete, ready-to-use system for substantial power generation. 1. JJN 100-watt solar panels, 10BB monocrystalline, 12V 100W solar panel, 23% high efficiency. Number 1 is the JJN 100-watt solar panel. This is a highly affordable and efficient option aimed at budget-conscious consumers seeking to power off-grid applications such as RVs, boats, and small cabins. The panel's key features include high-efficiency monocrystalline cells with a 9BB bus bar and half-cut cell design 16. This innovative technology is a major selling point as it helps to reduce power loss and internal resistance, resulting in improved performance, particularly in shaded conditions. The panel boasts a solid build with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass designed to withstand standard outdoor weather conditions like wind and snow. In real-life scenarios, users have found that the panel often meets or even exceeds its rated 100W output, delivering solid performance for its price. Compared to a more well-known brand like Renogy, the JJN panel is a less expensive option that offers similar specifications and a surprising level of efficiency. While Renogy is known for its extensive customer support and long-standing reputation, JGN provides a high-quality product that performs well without the brand name markup. This panel represents excellent value for money, making it a great entry point into solar for DIYers and those on a tight budget. It is a recommended choice for anyone who needs a reliable, no-frills solar panel and is willing to accept a shorter warranty for significant cost savings. So guys, this was the video about the best rigid solar panels for permanent installation. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.